This is the moment every real estate agent dreams of when they get their license, my man. It's a beautiful day to be selling Silicon Valley. Here with Hans, we're in Los Altos right now. I'm gonna be meeting with a friend of mine, John, who's gonna be buying his very first property. We're super excited to get to work with him. John is actually a theater buddy of mine. So he'll be natural on camera. we have sang together actually, and he's actually a very good singer. Maybe I can get him to bust out some tunes. Hans, I hear you're closing your first deal on Friday, man.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom.
This is my buddy John. John's gonna buy a house.
Yes, hopefully, yes. That'll happen, right?
Yes, it will. Are you excited, man?
Super pumped. It's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited for this. I mean, Danny just walked me through this whole thing. It's a lot, but it's gonna be fun, so very excited.
John and I did theater together, and I'm really excited to have him on the vlog. Finally, someone with some acting experience. Act for the camera, bro.
Act for the camera. I don't know what you want me to do. And that's like, it's like saying, I don't know, do real estate for the camera. Like, you can't just do it.
No, I know. Well, I'm excited to work with you, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Pumped. Let's go.
Let's do it. Friday Fun Day, back with another video and a new buyer appointment. Hans, you ready, man?
Yeah, dude, I'm always ready.
By the way, congratulations, my man. I want to give a big shout out to this guy right here. Just closed his first deal as a real estate agent. That sucked. Let's try that again. All right, there we go, man. Congratulations, man. And here's to many, many, many more to come.
19 more and we're off to Vegas.
There we go. That's what I said, right? 20 and we're going to Vegas. You only got 19 more.
Yeah.
I think, I know you can do it, dude.
Yeah, dude. Easy.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Yeah.
And then you get to help people at the same time, which is beautiful.
Absolutely.
It's a beautiful thing.
That's what it's about.
It's a win-win.
Fuck the money.
That's what I'm saying. It's all about the pride, man.
Yeah.
That's what it's for.
Yeah.
Ready to do this?
Yeah.
All right, man.
What's this?
Oh, shit. Did you get me a boba?
I don't know, did I?
Yes! Dude, I'm so excited.
Yeah, dude.
Where is it? In the fridge?
As always.
Keeping it cold for me. Ice cold.
It's always in the fridge, bro. Yes.
How does it feel to sell your first house?
Feels great, actually. Amazing.
Feels amazing?
Yeah.
How would you rate your feeling on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm at like a 6. Honestly, I should be at a 10, but I want to sell more.
Proud but never satisfied.
Yeah.
The blessing and curse of every overachiever. But you know what, man? That's the only thing that's gonna get you to great. It's that constant need for more. It's okay, man. It's not a curse. Everyone says it's a curse, but my man, it's the biggest blessing in the world. Embrace it. You're gonna go far, dude.
Thanks.
Good shit. It's so dark in here, everyone. It's the first home you ever sold, Hans.
Yeah.
But my friend, it will not be the last, that's for sure. Oops, step. Actually, this is a really nice house, dude. They got a great deal. That, my friends, is a face of a brand new homeowner.
Thank you.
Hi, shall we?
This is yours?
Oh, no, give it to her.
Yeah. It's your daughter's?
Yeah.
All right.
Why can't I open it?
Hey! Woo! How does it feel while I'm on you?
It's very good.
Yeah?
Excited. It's our dream.
I really appreciated this guy. So whenever I called him, like even any time, he said, okay, welcome.
He's a really hardworking kid.
Yeah.
I'm happy to have him on my team.
Yeah, he's a talent. Yeah. Smiling face.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna make him cry.
Thank you after I move in first week of July.
All right,
Okay?
thank you.
Yeah.
I'll let
Bye.
you know as soon as the sellers get back to me as well.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, everyone.
See ya.
Bye. Okay, guys, just wrapping up the day here, and I wanted to talk really briefly about that last interaction that we had with our clients. I mean, I really just think that I was, you know, it's really a true testament to the effort that Hans put in. The fact that they went out of their way to like really call out what a great job Hans did for them, and that doesn't happen every time, you know. And I really just want to commend him for that. So great job, dude.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I learned it from you.
Yes, you did. No, just kidding. Well, Hans, you know, you're not 21, so I will not be, you know, giving you anything to drink tonight. In celebration, I will be giving you a meal.
That's all right. You could pay me those when I turn 21 this year.
Oh, okay. All right. Sounds good, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. It's a beautiful Tuesday in the middle of June 2019. Another beautiful, amazing day to be selling Silicon Valley. Oh, look who's here. What's up, man?
Nothing much, dude.
Did you get that boba for me?
This one? This one's for you.
Dude, you're the man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, we got something for you.
What's that?
Come with me. This is the moment every real estate agent dreams of when they get their license, my man. Sylvie Pooh,
Hi.
do you have a little something for Hansi?
I do. How exciting is this? We've been waiting for you all day.
Oh, yeah?
Congratulations.
Yeah, buddy!
I have yours too.
I think so.
Congrats.
There we go, my man.
Yeah.
How exciting.
Yo, hold it up real quick. Hold it up and smile a little bit. There you go.
Perfect.
Dude, I'm so excited for you, man.
Thanks.
Congrats.
Congrats, guys. We'll have to go celebrate.
You have to go buy. Now you get to go blow the entire check on Sylvia's
Oh, yeah.
Mexico Lindo
She
bill.
already made a deal. I had to.
Hey Ken,
Hey, what?
Hans just got his first commission check. What kind of advice do you have for him?
Put it on red.
Seriously?
If you lose, you get to write it off as a gambling loss to break even. That's what I would do.
Is that actually a thing?
No.
Hans just got his first commission check today.
Nice.
What advice do you have for him?
Save about 30% for taxes. And take the rest, roll the dice and go to Vegas.
That's exactly what Ken just said. Hey Jackie, Hans just made his first commission check. What kind of advice do you have for him?
Vegas. Spend it. Splurge it. It's the first check.
And you guys wonder why real estate agents are always broke. Every single person has said go to Vegas. Hans, he's about to find out that he just got his very first listing. My man.
Yeah.
I want you to take a snapshot, mental snapshot of where you're standing right now.
Okay.
Because you just got your first listing, dude.
Oh. Are you serious?
Yeah, buddy.
Bro.
We just got off the
Dude,
phone.
I don't even know if it's there.
We just got off the phone, buddy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He sent me a text.
Did he sign it?
No, he has not signed it yet. He has not signed it yet.
Okay.
And I'm in my car. So he's gonna send me the wife's contact info, and then I'm gonna have you get on a Zoom call with me. I'm gonna have you fill it out from your laptop, because I'm gonna be kind of out and about for the next couple of hours.
Okay.
So it's already filled out on my car forms. I just need to have it sent out. But yeah, dude, I wanted to congratulate you, my man.
Thank you.
I'm so excited for you, dude.
I'm so excited for us, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
This is one out of like 100 more from the Communication Hills farm that we're gonna get.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. No, it's exciting, dude. It really is. And honestly, man, it's just a testament to your hard work. So keep doing what you're doing. You know, don't deviate from what's working, right? Double down on that. And you know, the two of us, we can talk tomorrow when we're in the office about how we can get you prospecting even more now. You know, now that you're comfortable with stuff, you know, I think that we can increase your efforts to you know, to increase your results. It's going to be a big learning experience, dude, this first one. So, you know, just expect to you know, just expect to be working, you know, a good amount on this, and I'll walk you through everything so that, you know, the second one will be you know, even more like clockwork for you. All parties have signed, my man.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Now it's real.
Congratulations, dude.
Thank you.
First listing. How does it feel, man?
Feels great. Not enough though.
That's the attitude.
Yeah.
Good shit.
My mom. But
Boom. Right there, dude. The ink is finally officially on the paper, which means Hans Hong today got his very first listing. And we're celebrating in true Gould team fashion with some boba.
yeah, dude. Cheers.
Cheers. Congrats, buddy.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, Robert. Hans got his first listing today. What words of advice do you have for him? Picking up some new swag. This is the shop, huh?
Yeah, if I known we were gonna film, we would have cleaned it up. No, we're in the middle of building a new room right there.
Nice.
I remember this.
Yeah, none of this was here. So here's your hats. The perfect color.
And this is Brian
So
with some sublime screen printing. Or sublime silk screen. Whoops. All right, guys, check it out. We have some shirts. Kind of like this. This is kind of like a Christian Guzman Alpha Elite blue, like the teal. And then we got some swag packs. Brian's gonna work on some hats for us. These are the hats, but I think we decided that we were gonna do embroidery all across, like big. And then, show me your shirt, babe.
Wait for it. I had it earlier, you took too long.
Nice.
It's good, right?
It does.
Fits like a glove.
It sure does. All right, guys. This is it's pretty cool. I got some swag.
I've actually been seeing them a lot more.
We're gonna leave this sweatshirt here, and it's gonna get embroidered with Hansi Poo's name on the back because he's officially a part of the team. He's a part of the team.
We're not laughing at you.
It's okay.
we're laughing with you because he's part of the team.
To celebrate our most recent sale, Hans got me another boba. Dude, you really were meant to be on my team, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Who gets me boba? Only you, bro.
It goes both ways.
Ooh, it's tasty. Hans.
What's up? Oh shit. This is the drip.
That's it, dude.
This is the real swag.
That's the real swag, dude.
Yeah.
He's officially on the team. Well, he's been on the team, but you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm glad it doesn't say grandma. Like.
Hey, I got one more piece of swag for you, dude.
Oh no. Do I need to wear it now to look like you?
Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
Are we twinning?
We are twinning right now, dude. Look at that. Hold on. Swag. 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 This is our new admin, Heather. Heather, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
And this is Heather's new hat.
Not how I would wear it.
Swaggy. Swaggy is what it is. Not how I would. Looking fresh.
Awesome.
Looking fresh, Heather.
Love it.
Yeah.
Glad to be part of the team.
How are you feeling right now?
Good.
Yeah.
Excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too.
And enjoying it.
Yeah. No, I'm enjoying it too.
Good.
I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this pace, this little rhythm we got going on here.
Good team.
Look at the stitching on that. That's fresh. It's freshly stitched. Today is a very special day. Today is the first ever Selling Silicon Valley Summer Soiree, aka Friends and Family Barbecue. And I'm very excited because I've wanted to do this for like 4 years and now I'm finally getting to do it. Oh my God. It's messy back there, I know. Heather rocking it. Look at this. You're so good, Heather.
Oh, thanks.
I'm loving this.
Cheese.
Just standing there looking pretty as always.
Working real hard.
I can tell.
I taped and helped with the tablecloth.
And there's Dad. He's dadding real hard right now. Hey Dad, where'd you get the safari hat?
That was my Christmas present for Aunt Anita.
Nice. I thought you were gonna say Africa. Zimbabwe. Stop. All right, guys, we're getting set up here, and I'm very excited. A very good amount of effort has been put into. A lot of effort has been put into doing this, and so I'm excited to like see this through. Doing a little toasty poo. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thanks for supporting.
Cheers.
Mine's apple cider.
To the first of many. To the first of many.
Prost.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Thank you for your help. Yay.
Gambe.
Gambe.
Hi.
There's Sam. You guys remember her? She was on the vlog 2 years ago.
Hi.
Ben, what's up, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you. I'm glad you came out. Ben, my past client Ben and my dad are twinning very hard right now. I wanted to capture this moment. 2 peas in a pod. Oh man, this is so much fun. I didn't really get to vlog that much because I was like chatting with the peeps, but it was great catching up with some past clients and man, makes me happy.